in this video, we'll see how we can add parallax effect or sticky background image where content will scroll over it. Here you can see. So we'll see how we can add it in mobile and desktop both. So here I'm logged into admin dash of WordPress. Now, as of now, we are doing it for Elementor. So you must have Elementor plugin. Now after that, click on add new page or go on any page. And I will just click on edit with Elementor. Here I am. Now I need to add a parallax effect. For that, I need to add a section. Okay, you can add section anywhere, wherever you want to add sticky background and content should scroll over it. Click on Flexbox, select container. This is the container I have selected now. First thing, I need to add a background image that will be stick. And one more thing, it will work for both mobile and desktop view. I will let you know the trick how to do it in mobile view. Select. I have selected the image. Now add some content so that you can see it moving over it. I will add a heading and then a text. These two. Now you can style it as per your need. So this is my heading and text. It's not visible now. What I will do, go on container. Now I will increase the height of it so that it will be visible. Minimum height I will say. You can see this. And the content should be in center, not bottom, sorry. Center. And I will set the width decrease. Just added the image. What I need to do? First, I need to make the attachment fixed, but this will only work for desktop. You also need to see how we can do in mobile view. As of now, just let's style it, add some background colors so that it looks good. Go on background over, click on classic, add. You can set the opacity as per your need. Now there is one issue, like when you go on mobile view, it's not working, but it's working fine in desktop view. Here you can see attach fixed work only on desktop, but no need to worry. I will show you how we can do it in mobile view. We have added parallax effect in desktop. Now to add in mobile view, go on setting. Here add some class name like sticky background, or you can name as per your need. You just need to remember or copy that name. As of now, we will publish this page. Now go to this page. Here we are here. Now what we need to do? Click on customize. See option additional CSS. Go there. Now the name you have copied dot plus the name that you have copied and just add the same line which I had. Background, sorry, background attachment. You can see you will find it fixed. Just do it. As of now, you can see it's working on desktop view, and when I go on mobile view, it's working. You can see. And the height you can set for mobile view, and the height you can set for mobile view is from your Elementor. Now publish it. Now go back to edit with Elementor. In mobile view, you can see now it will be working. Now if it's too much height, you can set the height from here. As per your need. You can see it's working very good. So that's why you can add sticky background image, and or you can call it parallax effect if for your website in Element. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.